Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to crochet this simple and beautiful hairband step by step. It's easy and perfect for beginners. Let's get started. The yarn I use for crocheting the hairband is medium weight and the hook size is 3.5. To start the hairband, first we make a slip knot. I chain a total of 45 stitches. My chains are now ready. I yarn over the hook, skip 3 chains and insert into the 4th chain. Then make 1 double crochet. Into the same stitch, I make another double crochet. And 1 more double crochet. In total, I have 4 double crochets in the same stitch. I chain 1 and turn my work. I slightly loosen my loop. Into the top of the first double crochet, I make 1 double crochet. And into the same stitch, I make another double crochet. Into the next stitch, I make 1 double crochet. And into the following stitch, I also make 1 double crochet. Into the last stitch, I make 2 double crochets into the same place. My second row is now ready. I chain 1 and turn my work. Again, into the first stitch, I make 2 double crochets into the same place. I continue by making 1 double crochet into each stitch across. At the last stitch, I make 2 double crochets into the same place and finish the row. I have reached the end of the third row. I chain one and turn my work. In this row, I will not make any increases. Starting from the very first stitch, I continue making double crochets across the row. I make one double crochet into the last stitch as well. We have reached the end of the fourth row. At the end of the row, I chain one and turn my work. In the same way, starting from the first stitch, I make one double crochet into each stitch across the row. In this way, I continue crocheting until the hairband reaches my desired length. For now, I am on the fifth row, and until I reach the desired length, I continue straight without making any increases. I have reached the desired length, and in total, I have 25 rows. From the 26th row, I will start making decreases to shape this part. I chain one and turn my work. Into the first stitch, I insert the hook as if making a normal stitch, yarn over and pull through, then pull through 2 loops, leaving 2 loops on the hook. I yarn over again, insert into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through, then pull through 2 loops, leaving 3 loops on the hook, and I close all 3 together. I have decreased 2 stitches into 1. I continue by making 1 double crochet into each of the middle stitches. When 2 stitches remain at the end of the row, I make the same decrease on this side as well. I insert the hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, leaving 2 loops on the hook. I yarn over again, insert into the last stitch, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, leaving 3 loops on the hook, and close all 3 together. I chain 1 and move to the next row. Again, in the next row, I will decrease the first 2 stitches and the last 2 stitches. I continue by making 1 stitch into each of the middle stitches. I also decrease the last 2 stitches and finish. I chain 1 and turn my work. Here I have 4 stitches and I will decrease all 4 together. I yarn over, insert into the stitch, yarn over and pull through. Pull through 2 loops, leaving loops on the hook. I repeat this for each stitch. Collecting all loops on the hook. And finally, close them all together. As you can see, both sides have taken the same shape. Now, I chain the same number of stitches on the other side as well. I have finished chaining and at the end I cut the yarn. I pull the loop tight to secure it. I do the same on the other side. Holding both chains together, I leave a bit of yarn and cut the excess. And now my hairband is ready. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to support my channel. See you in my next tutorial. Happy crocheting!